Yo, what's up guys? Andy here, back with another video, and today I'm going to show you how to DM GIFs on Instagram messages. Okay, so we're currently on Instagram on the story screen. There's a couple ways you can do this. You can actually react to a story as well and send a GIF. So we'll show that second. Let's close this out, tap the X right here. And now we're on the home screen for Instagram. We're going to swipe over, go to our messages here, and then we're just going to go into a message thread. So I think this is a relatively new feature that allows you to message people GIFs. Normally you can type or do whatever you want. You can send a photo, you could send a video, you could even send a voice message. But what you want to do to send a GIF is tap this plus sign in the text field here. So on the right side you're going to see a plus sign. Go ahead and tap on that. This gives us a couple more options. The one that we want to tap on is the smiley face with the folded corner. So we can tap on that, and that's going to allow us to search GIFs. This is built in through the Giphy platform. So you could scroll through and pick a popular one here, or you could search one. So I don't know, let's just search SpongeBob. That's going to give us GIFs related to SpongeBob. So it looks like you can search GIFs, stickers, maybe even some recent ones if you filter there on the bottom. But then all you need to do is tap on one of them and it's automatically going to send that. So there's one thing we can do. Now I'll go ahead and show you how to react to a story. So we can watch their story here. And then if you want to react, you can just tap in the text field on the bottom. That's going to pull up some options here. We can quick react, and then you can tap one of these 8 options. So we'll do that one. So this one is an LOL. The other thing you can do is tap in the text field, and you'll see GIF on the right side. So let's go ahead and tap on that. And pretty much the same thing here. We'll search for a Charizard GIF. Just tap that one and it automatically sends. There's all the things we sent. Let's go ahead, go to this other account. So here I am on the other account. Let's go to the messages screen. Here's the messages that we sent and what it looks like from their perspective. So we got the first GIF, we got the laugh reaction, and we got the GIF reaction after that. So there's a couple ways to send GIFs or send reactions or a GIF as a reaction. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Be sure to drop a comment down below if you have any questions and I will try and answer those. Definitely check out the Instagram playlist with hundreds of tutorials on how to use Instagram. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this one. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.
Okay. Don't blame your problems on the past. Go hard. You might wear